Hey guys, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your text read aloud on MS Word. So for that, we just need to open MS Word. So opening it, I'm just going to create a new blank document. And for making a text read aloud, here I'm just going to type something. And for making read the sentence, here on the top, you can see here menu options, and here is an option. You can see here review, click on that. And here is an option. You can see here read aloud, click on that. And for reading whole the sentence, you can just select the whole the sentence and then again click on read aloud. So now you can see that you had been make your text read aloud on MS Word. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.